I have received the question on how many books one need to publish on Amazon KDP to start making reasonable amounts of money from different writers and self-publishers. Yes, it's not once, it's not twice, it's not three times. And today I want to answer that question. I won't tell you it's just one book or two books or three books. All right. But you need to stick to this video to really understand what really matters, all right? Not just about number, though we know number is important, yes, all right? The first question you should ask yourself is how many goods, products do business people need to have in their shops before they start making it as business persons? Because KDP is a business platform, and you yourself, you need to think as a business personnel, all right, for you to make money on it. And it's not just about the number of goods a businessman needs to have in his shop, but the quality of goods inside. All right. So when you understand this, you know that number plus quality is what matters. Imagine somebody selling big televisions in his shop, and he has about 200 copies of it. And somebody selling just sachet water piece by piece and just have about 20 pieces of sachet water. I'm not talking about bags. So you see that that guy selling sachet water that has about 20 pieces, we don't make much money. All right. But for somebody that has our television sells big televisions that has over 200 pieces. We make more money because once he makes a sale, he will have a lot of returns, all right, in terms of profits. So that's one thing you need to consider, quality plus quantity. So you need to think about the quality of the books you're dishing out, all right? Don't go there. You are creating book of 25 pages, 30 pages. Maybe you write the book in 1 month, you publish, or maybe you have about 5 pieces of it in 1 month and you publish 25 pages, 20, 30 pages, 35 pages. When a potential buyer comes and look at that book, we'll be like, is this a book or an article? Just 25 pages. What will I find inside this book that is 25 pages? All right. So number is important, but don't just go there and be dishing out substandard stuffs, man. Don't go there and do that. You will not sell book there. Even if you have 100 pieces of it, you will hardly sell. What are you doing with this book of 30 pages? Wow, my goodness. So that's why I kick against the low content books. All right. So do something of quality. 150 pages, 120 pages up, 200. If you have 600 pages, beautiful. All right. So quality is very important. If you can produce quality books, maybe two or even one in a month, that you know that solve problem for people, you're good. All right. So another thing is produce as many quality books as you can. As many quality books as you can. High content books. All right. Number doesn't lie. Yes. You see, one thing about KDP is that it's synonymous with our YouTube's platform. Because here, if you're consistent, we use the term consistent on YouTube. If you're consistently putting out videos, long form videos, that you know that solve problem for people, before you know what's happening, YouTube will notice your channel and start pushing out your videos. Before you know it, you get monetized and you start making money. That's how it is. All right. There was a time I did a video per day for straight 2 months. And a lot of things happened in my channel. In fact, that was what helped my channel to get monetized. And today I'm averaging nothing less than $3 every day. So that's how it is. All right. Create quality books as many as you can. There is no particular number. If we have 60 quality books, high content books that solve problem for people, good and fine. You are likely to make sales. Since I discovered what works on KDP in the year 2020, I have had a lot of books, quality books. That's 4 years now. As I'm talking to you, I have over 40 high content books on KDP. I know the beautiful thing about this whole thing. Maybe at a point when you think that, okay, these books are old, they will not sell. You see one sell from there, two sells, three. From all those old books you publish, because they are high quality and solve problems for people. Once in a while, people come across and buy it. When your high performance, your newly published books start performing well, do not perform again. They will come up and then be your savior at that point in time and make you that money. All right, this is December. I'm seeing some of them coming up. All right, I'm seeing some of them coming up. Books published 2020, 2019. And as I'm talking to you, you need to do the same. Push out more books, produce as much as you can, and you will see yourself making money. Even if you don't make money today, come on, tomorrow. Look for just make your research to find out what people like to read, what they want to read, and then you create as many books as you want. With time, you see yourself building a lot of money on the platform. Okay, let's talk about sustainability. What will make you to create as many quality books as possible, high content books? Because sometimes it seems some my audience or some people don't really understand this message. Someone will be like, I have limited skill. I can only do cookbooks. All right. And I have only this cooking skill, how to make this kind of dish. And that's the kind of book I'll be publishing over and over again. Listen, I want to talk to you personally, bro or sis. All right. The truth is that you have not discovered that as a human, you have a lot of potentials. There are a lot of things you can do as a human. You're not limited to that just type of dish, all right? That type of dish cookbook. You have a lot of potentials. And I've noticed that. I'm a witness because I have books in different niches. Yes, I studied engineering as an undergraduate. But since I left school, even before I left the university, I have learned a lot of things online. See, what will help you to succeed on Amazon KDP is learning new skills as time go on. YouTube is here. There are some platforms that offer free courses. I just recently completed a course with HP Live, free of charge. All right. You learn all this. You look for free courses online. You learn them. These are some things that are on demand. When you learn them very well, you make extra research. You create books on them. I finished a course on data analysis and science. All right, with HP Live, free of charge. Tomorrow, I'm going to dig deeper to get some more information about that, and I will create a book on that. These are skills that people want to know about. You that have learned it, you have learned that skill. You teach the people through your book on Amazon KDP. You don't stay one place, bro. Come on, you learn new things. If you want to learn about electricity now, you can do that. YouTube videos are there. You make your research, you find out more information, you create it as a book, you can put it on Amazon, it will sell. You know, is it cyber security? Come on, there are a lot of things people want to read about. I don't need to expose everything to you, but as a human, you are built in fact, in a very great way that anything you want to think about, you want to know, you will know. It's for you to avail yourself. Okay, people are searching for this skill. Let me learn it. Is it Corel Draw? Is it come on? Is it graphics design, video editing? There are a lot of videos on this YouTube that will teach you that you create book from them. I'm just giving you expo now, just for you to succeed. So that's how you sustain it. All right. So learn new skills and teach people. All right. Then don't forget, cover is very important. So I keep saying it in most of my videos. Invest in your cover. Look for a cover designer. Let him or her design cover for you. All right. That will help that book to still sell more. Okay? So, and description, even as you create high content books that solve problems, the main thing, solve problems. It's not creating for creating sake. Because I've written so many books on policies that did not sell when I didn't know what works on Amazon KDP. All right? So, it's about creating what solves problem that people want to read. Are you getting that? So when you create it, you write good description, back it up with A plus content, and you set your book for people of over 2 billion that visit Amazon every month. Amazon is being visited over 2 billion times every month. It can be one person can visit up to 10 times. So as they are visiting, they are probably going to see your book or see some books on Amazon KDP and they will like it and buy. All right. So I will like them and buy. So push your book to them, push your book to them. All right. Create as many books as you want and you will make money. All right. Why putting all these things I say into place? You have had it now. Number is very important, but quality is still important. So number plus quality and doing the necessary things, you get your books in fact around Amazon and you will make more money. So don't rely on just one single book. Don't tell me that you have written a book and it didn't sell on Amazon KDP. Write more. All right. When you have a lot, you make more money. Look at Manchester City. Sorry for people that like football. They built their team around the one defender and De Bruyne. Now already has issue, and the team is flopping. So please have variety that solve problems and that are of high quality, and you will make money on Amazon KDP. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we discuss a lot that cuts across technology. All right, leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button. Okay, they want to point up like this so that YouTube recommend this content to more people. Watch this video here to learn more on some tips on Amazon KDP. Thank you and see you some other time. Stay blessed.